Welcome to the Emerald. This 1,500 square foot floor plan has a great foyer that quickly opens into this beautiful open space. Check out all these windows. Because of this spacious, open, great room and kitchen, it's a great place for entertaining. This master bedroom is large with another floor-to-ceiling window. This spacious master bath has double sinks and a zero-entry shower. And take a look at this great walk-in closet. This is the guest bedroom. This room is often used and set up to be an office or a den, TV room, sewing room, whatever you want it to be. We have guest suites for your out-of-town friends and family when they come to stay with you. This floor plan has a combination bathroom laundry room with full-size, side-by-side washer and dryers. And look at this additional storage. You'll notice that an Emerald has windows facing 3 different directions. For more information on any of our floor plans, call 515-978-2982 or go to our website for more information, discoveredgewater.com.